Gonna change it up a little bit and start tackling some of this monstrosity as well. Windy day, let's get it done. We're so tired, we played too hard. Alright, y'all, I got a really important question for you. What gloves do you use? Because these, yeah, they are got a hole in it already. There's my fingers right there. These two, these didn't even last the entire season. I'm really saddened. I knew that the yellow thread wasn't going to last, but that's just like, you know, for touchscreen sort of stuff. This is very disappointing that they're dead already, and I don't even have everything put away yet. So, what do you guys use?